What's going on, guys? Welcome back to 4K Motoring. This is going to be part 2 of our Corvette rear lighting upgrade. Let me show you what I've done. As you guys saw in the last video, we did install our halo LED rear taillights and we did install our laser side lights on the rear. Off camera, because they arrived a little bit later, we did install our F1 style center brake light strobing, as you guys saw. That is switchable, so you can turn it to just a steady regular LED bulb or have it with a strobe feature, as mine did, as you saw. I upgraded to the LED license plate lights, which put out a lot more light. And as I did very early on in the Corvette, I put the LED bulbs in the reverse lights as well, along with the camera. It makes it very easy to see and back up at night. I wanted to keep this video short and sweet just to show you the final product of these lights. Like I said, the front of the car will be getting done here very soon. Getting the corner lights and possibly doing the sleepy eye headlights, the night drive TV style, something like that for the headlights as well as all the interior bulbs still are yet to be upgraded to LED. So, hope you guys like the final product. I sure do. I think it makes this car look a little bit more modern, a little bit more unique, but still keeping an overall OEM style appearance. Nothing that's too radical, and that's exactly what I wanted out of this car. As always, thanks for watching 4K Motoring. I'm Chris, and we'll see you next time.